Imagine a world where your marketing materials can transform with a single scan. Frustrated by static QR codes? You're not alone. Lionsgate faced this challenge when their promotions needed more adaptability. Step into a smarter solution with Unicode's dynamic QR codes. These codes can change their destinations anytime, ensuring your campaigns remain fresh and relevant. With Unicode, your promotional posters evolve without the hassle of reprints. Benefit from unlimited URL edits that keep your messaging on point. Enjoy robust location tracking, giving you insights into audience engagement like never before. Plus, with an intuitive interface, you'll save time and enhance productivity. Unicode stands out with its ability to zoom in on scan locations. This allows marketers to refine strategies based on real-time audience demographics. Mike from Lionsgate confirms this with impressive results. Ready to elevate your marketing game? Don't miss out. Sign up for a free trial with Unicode today. Transform how you connect with your audience and watch your engagement soar.